Welcome back to our home, our family, our channel. Over here, my name is Alisha. We just got back in from Sam's. I did do a full Sam's walkthrough. The stuff that I got in my haul, I didn't share everything from the walkthrough. So those of you guys who checked out the walkthrough already, hope y'all stay tuned so y'all can see the rest of this stuff. When I finish up here, I still have to go to Walmart and get some more items. But I wanted to get this haul out the way. Y'all that have been watching me know I usually do my Sam's and Walmart, Winn-Dixie, all of those hauls together. But I'm trying to save myself a whole lot of trouble, time, and break it down because it's a lot in one day. And if y'all grocery shopping, try to do all y'all bulk shopping in one day, y'all know it's a job in itself. So I'm going to start over here with the meats and whatnot. I got my chicken drumsticks. I like to bulk shop and get these. I have 3 packs of the Members Mark that's in my freezer. I have a pack of wings, legs, and thighs. I think I got 2 packs. No, yes I do. I have 2 packs of thighs because I had 3 and I cooked 1 yesterday. So now I'm back stocked up to 3 a piece. I got 2 wings over here. One of the packs of wings was $11.88 and one is $11.21. And then as far as the drumsticks or the legs, it's $4.82 and the other pack is $5.14. The Tyson chicken nuggets, and I think they had said on here it was a 5 pound bag. And y'all would have seen the price if y'all seen a walkthrough. I think it was around $14 or something. $12.77, and this is for a pack of Angus beef. It is their ribeye. What did that say? I can't see that. The ribeye steaks choices. I think it was 12 in here, if I'm not mistaken, that I had counted. We can have those one day with some gravy and rice. And then right here is the chicken tenderloins, and it was $18 even. Again, if y'all seen us, you seen we was going through the meats and everything, trying to get the best prices. And then I got a 10-pound bag of the chicken breast, the boneless and skinless, and this was $23. I got a thing of flushable wipes. I opened them so I could put some in the bathroom, and I got a thing of tissue. If y'all seen a haul, I mentioned that I'm probably gonna go back Saturday because I need to still get some more stuff. We just had no more room to put anything else in the Renegade. I got one of the, what is this, the sweet onions, and whatever size 6-pound bag of the sweet Texas onions, 1 bag of lemons. We didn't need limes this month, just some lemons. I was looking for the green grapes for my son because now he loves them frozen. And if y'all haven't been seeing my hauls, my vlogs, I'm sorry y'all, on my main vlog channel, Alisha Southern Crew, after I wash my grapes really well, I freeze them in a plastic container. He loves to eat them. It's a quick snack for him anytime, day or night, early mornings. He bring them to school. However, he liked the green ones and these, and I always get the seedless and the red grapes. 1 pack, and they didn't have the green, so I couldn't get them this month, so I'll get some from Walmart. I got a big pack of their strawberries, which was only $4 and change. This is a staple in our house, the pink lemonade and the regular lemonade, especially during the summer, but we keep it all year round. I got 2 pineapples. I didn't get a whole lot of fruits this go around from Sam's because again I got to go back Saturday, and we just wasn't gonna have enough room, and I needed to get some other stuff first. I got the sweet honey mangoes. Yeah, the honey mangoes, and they tell you on the pack if y'all are trying to see which ones is what. They got the bitter, tart, sweet, and slightly wrinkled, are very sweet. So I went through them, and so when they are like this, they are really, really sweet. And I love me some mangoes. I am going to give a few of them to my brother because he like eating mangoes. We got 1 seedless watermelon, and I'm going to get a seeded watermelon from Walmart because Sam's did not have any. I only got 2 things of the splash water because Philip has 3 that's still over there on the floor. And my son's last day of school is in a couple of days. They have, what, 6 days left? Somewhere around there, 6 days left for school. He still drink water and stuff throughout the summer and stuff, of course, but he just won't have them because he normally bring like 3 to school and drink some home. But this will stock him back up to 5, and then I'll probably pick up 3 more when I go back. I got 2 of the Members Mark sparkling water, and I'm gonna get 2 more when I go back. And then I got the Nature's Twist, the sugar-free strawberry lemonade. They didn't have the regular lemonade this month. Hopefully when I go back they'll have some, but I got 4 this time because my mother-in-law is a diabetic, and I know they have that other artificial sweetener in here, but she can tolerate that and it does not give her a headache. She only drink 1 of these every other day, and we don't drink like 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. We'll have 1 every so many days. So if anybody wondering, even though we know they do have that artificial sweetener, if it give you a headache, then don't drink these, but it does not bother us. And again, we only have 1 of these like every other day. Everything is in moderation. And then we got 5 things of water, and then when I go to Walmart I'm gonna get 2 more, and then when I go back to Sam's I'll get 5 more. So I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to stock up on a few things. And then over here I got some bananas, the Sara Lee classic white bread, the 2-pack, and this one last month was on sale for $2 and some change. This month it was 3 and some change, but it's still cheaper than buying them anywhere else. And then the Nature's Own bread was on sale. Can't remember the price, but again, it's in a walkthrough. And so I think that's it. I think we got everything out the car. Like I said, I have to get some more grapes and some more fruit and stuff. I don't have a whole lot of more meat to get. I think I only have like 3 more things that I have to get as far as meat, and the rest is just like stuff that's gonna go in our pantry. Then, like I said, fruits and vegetables, stuff like that. So if y'all interested in seeing what else I gotta get from out of Walmart, y'all stay tuned to the next video. I will be doing a walkthrough there and showing y'all prices. So if y'all interested in any of that kind of content, family stuff, how we shop, how we bulk buy, I do Ibotta, I do Fetch. Anytime I can get rewards back, I'm getting my money back. I coupon, I do digital coupons. We go to Winn-Dixie, we do digital coupons. We price match a lot of different stuff. We do the scan and go at Sam's, and if you do the scan and go at Sam's on the Ibotta app, they give you extra. I think today I've received $5 back just doing the scan and go there. And then plus, you know, whatever other stuff that you get that's on the app, you can get money back. So save wherever you can, y'all, because we all know stuff is expensive. And then when I get back home from the other store and I put all of my stuff up, I usually do a full video on that, how we break our food down, our chicken down in Ziploc bags. All of that I will be sharing with you guys in a video as well. Y'all will not see a video from me as far as another bulk haul next month, but my husband and kids will be doing one because I will just be a few weeks out from my surgery. But they will be doing it. I'm going to give them everything they need, and they can go from there. So thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Y'all have a safe week. Be blessed, and I'll see y'all later.